Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Blackstone griddle. Start with a hot griddle. Scrape any remaining food into the grease trap. Then, pour a small amount of water onto the hot surface to deglaze it. Use your griddle scraper to push off any stubborn food particles. This initial step is crucial for preventing buildup and making deeper cleaning easier. For a deeper clean, especially if you have significant residue, apply a specialized griddle cleaner or a degreaser. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub vigorously with a griddle pad or steel wool. Ensure you rinse the surface thoroughly with water to remove all cleaning solution. After cleaning, it's vital to re-season your griddle to protect it from rust and maintain its non-stick surface. Heat the griddle to a medium temperature. Apply a very thin, even layer of high smoke point cooking oil, like flaxseed or avocado oil. Wipe off any excess oil with a paper towel. Consistent maintenance extends your griddle's life. Always clean it after each use and re-season as needed. Store your griddle in a dry, covered area to prevent rust. A griddle cover is a great investment. Regular care ensures your griddle is always ready for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.